Can I come inside? Oh, awesome.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
Blue and gold Macau. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Haris Dedi. So I'm in Doha, Qatar right now. I'm gonna kind of just vlog my whole experience here. I'm only here for a day. So I'm gonna just show you guys and get right into it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, like this video, share this video with your friends and fam, and I hope you guys enjoy.
وللجنات يوصل من يسير كتاب الله للأرواح نور تبارك مودع البركات فيه فليس لفضله أبدا قصور فمن بركاته عقل سليم ورأي صائب فكر منير ورأي صائب فكر منير فيا من.
Okay, so I'm at the Grand Mosque in Doha. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna perform Taraweeh for the first night of Ramadan. Alhamdulillah, Ramadan Mubarak to everybody. And I'm only here for about one day. So I'm very lucky to have the opportunity to perform Taraweeh here at the Grand Mosque of Doha. I heard the Qiraat here is really amazing, and I know it's gonna be pretty packed here. I got here a little bit early, so I'm gonna show you guys around the Masjid, and inshallah, Isha will begin soon, along with Taraweeh, inshallah. Mashallah. This is the courtyard right here. देखिए यहाँ पे जब कैपेसिटी बढ़ जाती है यहाँ पे लोग आते हैं नमाज अदा करने के लिए माशाल्लाह.
إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح قد قامت الصلاة قد قامت الصلاة.
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
We just finished Taraweeh at this Masjid, mashallah. This is the Grand Mosque of Doha. You can see the whole Doha like skyline from starting from there, going all the way here. This is downtown Doha right here, and you can see all the buildings have like Ramadan decorations right there. A couple over here. I'm gonna try to drive to the city a little bit too, and you know, just show you guys what the scene here is for Ramadan. But mashallah, it's very, very nice. I actually kind of like the Ramzan vibes here better than Dubai, like UAE in general. I mean, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah is quite similar to here, but as compared to Dubai, I like it. The Ramadan vibes here, you can actually feel, the vibes, mashallah. They have you know, car parking right here, as you can see, and a view of the whole city, mashallah. And once again, the mosque.
كتاب الله للأرواح نور تنال به السعادة والسرور إلى درب الهدى والخير يهدي وللجنات يوصل من يسير كتاب الله للأرواح نور تبارك مودع البركات فيه فليس لفضله أبدا قصور فمن بركاته عقل سليم ورأي صائب فكر منير ورأي صائب فكر منير فيا من أقبلوا
Souq Waqif right now. This is Qatar's oldest souk, meaning market. I can hear parrots and birds over here. Blue and gold Macau. This is the other side of the souk right here. About to explore it, but basically over there's just general stores and birds, pet stores, basically all kinds of animals. This part looks closed. You can see that down there. This part looks closed. It might be closed, and I think they have concerts or something over here. A lot of lights on the sky. Some kind of a recording going on here. I think that's some celebrity or something. Or singing. Not sure. It's true. This is actually called Falcon Souq. There's falcons here. There's falcons here. Let's see if we can get across. You can see there's falcons right inside too. Wow. Look at that. They have their heads tied. So, can I come inside? Oh, awesome. Something of interest, camels. Bunch of them. a farm over here. Really smoky farm. Little cat. Hello. Hey, buddy. Wonder if there's a way through from here. Let's see. You can see the city over there. So this part looks pretty cool. At least you get to see the camels up close. They all got these cool little blankets on. This dude is knocked out. They're all just chilling right now. Camels look so cool. All of them are just chewing stuff. Hey Khalid. Abbas. That one's really tired, and so is that one. He's really tired. Took his blanket off too. That one's tired too. Okay, I think this looks like a dead end. Yeah, this is a dead end. Okay. Mission, get back to parking. Let's see. I went through Camel Chowk or no success. I'm in Northern Souq parking number 3. It's underground too. This is gonna be a mission. यहाँ पे इतना कोई interest का लग नहीं रहा. I mean, there's some like fancy restaurants here that I've seen in like boutique hotel and stuff like that. Jewelry की दुकान ये वो, but nothing too much of interest for me. So I'm gonna just look for a chai spot. I'm probably gonna head out from here and look for a chai spot. But I hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this short vlog of Souq Waqif and you know, performing Taraweeh here in Doha. I might go to Corniche, so I'm gonna try to get some footage of that for the outro of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and like this video, share it with your friends and family. Thanks so much. Jazakallah khair.